Hi guys, it's Erin from Siren Soap, and today I've got my sister coming in. She wants to learn how to make soap. So hello. Rosie, say hi.
Hi.
All right, today we're going to be making a hot cocoa soap. Mostly I'm using this hot cocoa from Nature's Garden, but I'm also blending it with a couple little things. Rosie helped me with the fragrance blend, so this is going to be a custom Rosie original hot cocoa blend. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to add the lye water into my oils. Yeah, we're definitely, I think me and Rosie are both big fall people. You know, we both have summer birthdays, but I don't like summer weather. You know, we live in the Midwest.
Got fall skin. I've got fall skin.
I know. We both do. Like, we turn into the Kool-Aid man as soon as our sun, like, our skin sees any bit of sun. We're like vampires. How did we end up being the ones with, like, summer birthdays? I'll never know. So there we go. Isn't that beautiful when it just like first kind of starts? And now there are different levels of coming to what soap makers call trace. I just kind of like to get like a basic sort of emulsion where you can kind of, the darker is the oils, kind of mixing in with the lighter, and once that kind of goes away is what I consider to be a basic emulsion. When it hits trace is when you like kind of do that, and you can see like just basic on the surface like ribbons from the drips coming back down. I like to keep it at a basic emulsion just because it's easier to do the fun swirls that way. I am a swirl girl. Okay. Ooh, I didn't grab my bowls for color, so we're gonna grab bowls for colors and we'll be right back. Okay. So we're gonna do, the main is gonna be brown with a light brown and then just a tiny bit of white, I think is what we're gonna end up doing. Okay, so we're gonna use Mad Mica's Tall, Dark, and Handsome for the brown. We're gonna have a dark brown, a medium brown, and a white this time. So we're gonna split off just a little bit for the light brown. And then some for the white. Let's add in the fragrance oil. And since this is a blend of a bunch of different fragrances, we're gonna see how it affects coming to trace. It'll be a fun experiment. And then here's the dark brown. I'm just gonna add a touch in to here. And then the titanium dioxide for the white, adding a touch in there. Ooh, that's a nice chocolate brown, I think.
Make it brown?
Oh my
that cocoa
goodness.
butter. Oh man.
You can smell the cocoa butter still, yeah. Yeah, I put cocoa butter into my soap recipe, so she got to smell the lovely cocoa butter. Making a mess already. Right. And for titanium dioxide, you really do need to mix it in with a stick blender. It just doesn't blend in as well without it. So as you can see, it totally changes the color then. Oh, wow. What the hey, let's add just a little bit more of the white. Thank you. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and grab the mold. Okay, so what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop in a bunch of the colors, and I'm gonna put the hanger swirl through it to swirl it around even more, and then top it with some of the white. So let's get her done. There we go. I like to put in a good amount of the dark brown first. Mm-hmm. Go. And you know, like every person that does soap is going to do it a little bit differently.
I like the way those drops of soap. They almost look like little marshmallows.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, like it's going to look really cool, I think, when it all mixes together. Oh, and this just smells so good. I love hot cocoa. Like, I'm a big fan, big fan. There we go.
Look how chocolatey.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like we're making fudge. Do
Doesn't
not
it?
eat this.
Oh, it smells so good though. And I think where I had my root beer soap, where I left a bunch of the white on top, I think this time I'm gonna swirl a bunch of the colors on top again. I just love swirling the colors on top. So first I'll throw the hanger through this. And since it was still pretty, you know, liquidy, as you saw, like it stayed pretty fluid throughout, didn't thicken up too much, I'm just gonna throw the hanger through a few times and that's it. So we'll see in the next day or two how that looks. And then, not to waste a single drop, time to scrape the rest of this in. So Rosie, she has a boyfriend named Kirill. How does Kirill feel about you learning how to make soap?
He's excited. I'm too. I really am.
Mm-hmm.
Right now, I'm applying for a lab assistant position, so it would be nice.
Yeah, that would be fun. That would be fun.
No, this is just a lot of fun, and I like this because it's the science, and it's also got that creative factor to it.
Yeah, Rosie has a degree in the sciences, and she's always been the smart one. I have 3 sisters, and we all definitely agree that Rosie was the one that was always naturally good at the science and the math. The rest of us really struggled, I think, with the science.
You're all creative types. You're all creative. Melissa's got the makeup, Lauren's got the hair, and Erin's got the art.
Yeah. I went to art school, and I've always been like a serial crafter.
She's like going to be the next Bob Ross of soaps, I tell you.
If only I could. Though I don't know if I could pull off that afro. I think only Bob.
The one and only.
The one and only. There we go. And I'm never like really super precise with this, and as you'll find out, you don't need to be super precise. So I'm gonna slam this down a few times to make sure that if there's any air bubbles that they kind of work their way up.
Give me the old Alabama slammer.
There we go. And then next I'm gonna use, actually, can you give me one of those little sucky dealies next to the fragrances?
In chemistry, we call these pipettes.
Yes. All right, and then here, I love doing this. This is that eco-friendly glitter. It's the Sparkle Plenty Mica from Mad Micas that I just combine with some almond oil, and I just love squirting a little bit of this on top. It just adds a little bit of shimmer to the top of the soap.
Yeah, just a little fun in there.
Yeah, just a little extra fun. It's one of the things I love to do. There we go. And now we swirl. So I'm just gonna do a basic back and forth. And as you can see, like, it doesn't matter if it's perfect or not. It will look beautiful no matter what you do. And the little extra thing that I like to do is then go back and forth like that. And doing this just kind of cleans up the edges a little bit. And there we go. There is our hot chocolate soap. What do you think, Rosie?
I'm really excited. I like the glitter in it.
Yeah.
I love those hints of glitter.
Yeah, doesn't it just add just like a little bit of extra, you know, sparkle, shimmer, fun?
Yeah, absolutely.
Your soap should be fun. It should be, you know, a nice luxury experience.
The marshmallow mix in there.
Mm-hmm.
Darkened milk chocolate. What can go wrong?
I know. So we're going to go ahead and let this sit, and I'll see you guys for the cut. Bye. All right, guys, we're back about 48 hours later, and I've got my helper Marky here to help me cut. Marky, say hi.
Hi.
Okay, are you ready to do the first cut?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Ready? Boink. Let's see what it looks like inside. Ooh, that looks pretty. What do you think, Mark?
It's like chocolate.
Yeah, this is the hot chocolate soap.
It's a whole chocolate soap.
Mm-hmm. Okay, time for the next cut. Are you ready? Are you ready, buddy? Are you gonna help? There we go.
Wow.
Wow, doesn't that look beautiful?
I want another soap to get the pink.
All right. Time for the next cut. Ready? Are you gonna help me cut it? Boink.
Blink.
Ooh, look at that one. Swirly whirly.
Wow, look at the back.
Mm-hmm.
And then to another cut it.
Yeah, we're gonna do another cut. Ready? There we go.
Look at the
Ooh, how pretty.
cut the baby soap. And the baby soap. And we cut.
Okay, ready? Cut.
Cut.
Ooh, there's a, yeah, this is so much fun. And it smells, just like hot cocoa.
That's not hot cocoa.
It's soap.
It's soap.
But it does smell like hot chocolate, huh?
No. Yeah.
Yeah.
It smells like hot cocoa.
Yeah. Oh, it's so pretty. I love all the swirls.
I want you to build it again.
Yeah, whenever I do the hanger swirl, I'm always worried that I'm gonna over mix some. But I think these turned out fantastic. What do you think, Marky? Did those turn out nice? Good job. You are such a good little helper. Did you know that?
I want to spray.
Hold on.
Mom,
Yes. Ooh, that one turned out nice.
look at that one.
Yep, one more cut.
One more cut. That's the next one. And look at the baby soap.
Yep, that's going to be a little sample piece. And there's the last one. Oh, just beautiful. I love how these turned out. What do you think, Marky? Are they pretty?
That's beautiful.
Yeah. Okay. So thank you guys for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe. Marky, say bye.
Bye.